Please listen to this post-match conference by Arne Slot.
Biggest exception for me was today compared to the other games we've played was the playing style of our opponent. So we got also some energy out of the moments we could press them, which in the last 4 or 5 games we played, we were not able to press the opponent because the ball wasn't on the ground, it was through the air.
Odele like Ode. It's fools you guys love. So you're expecting Crystal Palace, Galatasaray, Chelsea, and Manchester United to set up in such a way you beat them 5-0 or 10-0 or 12-0, right? Odele like Ode. Enyomarayi Ode.